Wasn't joking, it's the way we bankroll. I should probably let it go. Wonder what it was, it's cold. Said you let me, wasn't joking, it's the way we are going to.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome. So I just did my hair and then I did my makeup. If you guys want to see how I did like my makeup and stuff, head over to my Instagram and TikTok. Oh, my food is gonna head over to my Instagram and TikTok. I posted there like a step-by-step kind of thing. And then everything that I use will be like in the comments or like in the description or in the caption area. So I'm warming up my food right now. And then I'm gonna edit my video. It actually needs to go up today. And then we're just making another like daily vlog for tomorrow. And I don't know, we might just go to the, you okay? We might go to the store tomorrow, just depending, because I actually need a video for Friday. But let me know if you guys have any ideas or anything that you want to see for Friday's video. Wow. I definitely will be happy to create that type of content for you. Just let me know if you're interested in seeing something else from me and stuff. So actually, I do think I have another video for tomorrow. I think today video is gonna be like a vlog. Yeah, and then Thursday's video is gonna be like an organized closet with me. So I still need a video for Friday. But let me see. Let me go ahead and put the TV on for Travell, and then I can get to editing. And I'm gonna eat. I have leftover like food. I have some lasagna. I am so sorry if I'm holding the phone like this. I'm still trying to get used to the back camera. That's just something I'm just trying to get used to because the quality on the back of your camera is so much better, but it's so hard when you can't actually see yourself, because on the front camera you can obviously see yourself on the screen, but this is just so much like better quality. So got that playing. I'm gonna get my food. Hopefully y'all can see me, but I just changed. Y'all seen that I did my hair and stuff, and yeah, I did my hair, and then I put on this bodysuit that I got from, I want to say Charlotte Russe. Does anybody shop at Charlotte Russe anymore? I got these like, I want to say last year, and I got them for like $6, and they're double line, really nice. And then I have my TG Maxx pants. Hopefully I'm in like somewhat of a frame, that way y'all can see, but these are like my absolute favorite pants. I love them so much. The detailing and like the distress on them of the brown is so pretty. But y'all, my nails keep popping off. I lost this one, and then I lost another one, but let me turn the camera this way. But good thing is I ordered some more, I ordered some nail polish. So I ordered a black nail polish, and then I ordered some chrome. So I ordered metallic chrome, gold and silver. I'm trying to keep my arms down, y'all. I need to shave my armpits. I need to shave my underarms, but I've been wearing like longer sleeves and stuff, so my hands haven't been like up or anything like that. So hopefully we don't show all of that. But I'm just keeping it real. Yeah, I like how my makeup came out today. I think it looks really cute. I'm feeling really cute today, and I love that for me, because look good, you feel good, or whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the rest of these nails off. I know you're supposed to do it like with other stuff, but y'all, I'm just gonna pop them off. They're like overdue. Oh, and I bought like a 3D gel kind of thing, like UV. You can use your lamp. So I'm gonna show y'all that as well. I want my nails to look really pretty, and just like, I don't want to spend all the money going to the salon and stuff. So I've just been doing my nails at home, and I've been enjoying it. I bought like the whole kit and stuff. That way I don't have to like glue my nails on and then try to do a design. I can just stick it on like the little stand that I got just for the nails, and I could just take my time, do both sets of you know, the nails and stuff, and then when I'm done curing them, I just glue them on. Or if you're gonna do, I think if you do the design, you can, if you like using the UV like lamp thing to actually glue down the nails that way, then I'm pretty sure you could do that. But I've just been using nail glue honestly. I've just been doing it that way. The next thing on my list to get is like a little nail drill a nail drill. That way I can like file my nails down and do it the right way. I mean, a better way or whatever, you know. Yeah, but for now I'm just gluing them on, and then usually they can stay from anywhere from a week to 2 weeks. 2 weeks might be pushing it, but if you do it like, if you prep your nails and stuff the right way, I'm sure they'll last quite a while and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to buff my nails out, but they gotten so long with just using press-on nails. So my Amazon storefront will be linked down below in the description box and stuff for y'all. But yeah, my nails have gotten so long. But yeah, I'm gonna have to cut them down and do all that extra prep. What I'll probably do is do that before the nails get here, that way they can be ready to go. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cleaning up the house around. I hope you girlies are enjoying today's vlog. Amazon packages. We got our Amazon packages for our nails. I'm just gonna open this up with y'all. I'm really excited. This is the building gel. Oh, it comes with actual nails too. I did not know that. So this next one is a gel nail polish. I got a black polish, so hopefully they actually sent me the right one. This is the packaging of this nail polish. Yeah, so it's black. I'm excited to use that. Y'all, this itty bitty thing in this big old box. Oh, I see why people were kind of complaining about these being a little small. So this is the chrome. It comes with silver and gold. So yeah, y'all can see that there. Currently putting all the clothes away, like from laundry that I've been doing and stuff. So I always like leave the clothes. I'll do the laundry, but then I'll leave it in the basket for a while before I start folding them and stuff and putting them away. But I think what I might do, because my drawer is completely full, so I think what I'm gonna do is clean that out, get rid of and keep like certain clothes and stuff, and then start putting things back, because there was stuff in the basket is this stuff that the rest of the clothes in the basket are already folded, so I don't have to worry about that. It was just these ones that weren't like folded and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know if you guys are interested in that type of video, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now because it's hard to open my drawer. There's a lot of stuff in there, so I need to get rid of some stuff.
Bankroll, I should probably let it go. Wonder what it was, it's cold. Said you let me, wasn't joking. It's the way it was. Bankroll, I should probably let it go. Wonder what it was, it's cold. Said you let me, wasn't joking. It's the way it was. You're going to need me and I'm cold. You should slide through and get your bankroll. Funny thing is that you're going to need me and I'm cold. You should slide through and get your bankroll. Funny thing is that
got done doing my nails. I showed y'all like different angles and stuff. There's some nails that I don't like this this one I got like nail polish I guess on the inside, so I might end up taking that one out and try to redo it. But I feel like in the beginning I started off really good. I don't know if it's focusing, but like this one's more metallic, and then I have a few of them that are like more than metallic than the other ones, so I'm thinking maybe I put too much black nail polish on it. But this is what I have so far, or this is what I have. I just wanted something different. I did hearts just obviously for Valentine's Day and stuff, and I think they look cool, different. I did these at home, so I don't expect it to be like the best, you know, especially my first time using that gel, but I think they look really pretty, and I'm actually really happy about it. I also have the silver chrome one, so we're gonna try that one out a different time. But yeah, I think they came out really cool. The gel wasn't that hard to like mess with and stuff, to play around and like make shapes or whatever. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. And I bought all of this off of Amazon, so how convenient was that, just to be able to do my nails at home. I think I only spent like 20 bucks for everything. So yeah, everything's gonna be linked down below. If you do purchase something, receive a small commission if you do purchase from there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. It took me a long time to do them, but I had fun doing it. So let me know if you guys try to do your nails at home and stuff. What colors are you into with doing your nails? Go ahead and end today's vlog here. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, girlies, and I'll see you in the next video.
'Cause I don't want this simple life.